Hey, what is up, all you beautiful people? My name is Mahia, and I'm your blind guide, and I want to talk to you about the crypto market. Now, we have seen so much red, which is honestly the best time to buy, especially when stuff is around its 52-week low. We're entering October soon, which is historically has been a very good month for crypto, especially for Shiba Inu. And recently, hold on one second. Excuse me. We recently, there was a well in the last 24 hours that bought 1 trillion Shiba Inu coins. That is so huge. That is $10.97 million. We're not talking about a $1 million or $5 million purchase. Almost $11 million. Now, for someone to spend that much right now, they have to have a lot of faith in it. Whether it's going to be a short term or a long term pop into a bull run, which when we close this monthly candle in a few days, we will really know what we're looking at. Because if Bitcoin and a lot of the other ones, especially Bitcoin, because it is pretty much the one that raises all the other cryptos, and it has such an impact on just the overall crypto sentiment, because a lot of people don't understand crypto and they think if Bitcoin's down, everything else has to be down. So that's how they trade a lot of the times, and that's what most of the time happens. But excuse me, one more second. But right now, with everything so low, we're entering what some people might call altcoin month in October. It is such a good time, in my opinion, to buy because, again, incredible lows. Not saying it couldn't go a little bit lower before it pops, but there is a very good chance we're going to be seeing a pop to the upside. And for Shiba, it's never 5 or 10 or 15%. At least when it's a big pop, it's going to be, 50%. Last October, it went like about 10x. I mean, that is crazy. That is a multiple of 10 on whatever your investment is. So $1,000 into $10,000 in a month. That is really incredible. And as far as everything else is concerned, as far as a lot of the other cryptos, I mean, everything is down right now. Crypto, stocks, the real estate market, everything is just down right now because of all the inflation. Technically, we are in a recession. It's not, the media isn't really reporting on it and calling it that, but by definition, because of the Fed rate hikes, we are technically, by definition, in a recession. Now, next year, it looks like we could unfortunately be seeing a recession to the point that they will announce it. They will say we are officially in a recession. But again, nothing lasts forever. It will pass, and we will get through it. And the people that are buying the dip right now, excuse me for one more second. The people who are buying the dip right now are definitely setting themselves up to really put some profit and some green into their portfolio. Now, I'm not saying this is going to happen overnight, but everything is looking like, depending on how the monthly candle ends, we will see, because Bitcoin really is like a lot of people say it's the North Star of the market and all the other cryptos follow it. And that can be true a lot of the time. So when we see what it does, it will really give us a good idea if we're going to go further down, if we're going to consolidate, or if we're going to go to the upside like I am predicting. Now, again, depending on everything that happens in the global economics, it could be short lived. But I'm hoping not. I know everybody's hoping not. But either way, it is, in my opinion, a great time to at least keep your eye on your favorite cryptos, stocks too. Excuse me for one more second. So I just nausea, but your favorite stocks and cryptos, because I don't see this lasting very long, at least for a short term. Long term, this is gonna last a while. Like everything is not going to get better for quite some time. I know gas prices went down, but the prices of a lot of other stuff are still on the rise. So we're not quite through this. We are gonna make it through this, and I'm telling you right now, the people who are buying, it is a very good. It is a very good time, and in the long run, you will be thankful for it. Now, nothing I say is financial advice, but this is just my opinion and what I see in the charts. So, hopefully, we close bullish and we start this bull run, and October is just like last October, and Shib does another, 8-10x, and we see ETH go back up to, 6,000-7,000, Bitcoin 60,000-70,000, maybe even higher, maybe breaks 100K at some point. But again, a lot of this really depends what the Fed says and everything else that happens. And XRP is another one to definitely look out for, because it looks like they could be winning this lawsuit, and that is going to be huge for them. So we really want to see that. One more second. So we really want to see that, because I know so many people in the XRP army have been waiting so long for this to just get done with, because what the SEC is doing, I mean, it's ridiculous. I mean, they're going after so many different crypto and crypto companies, trying to say, well, this is a security, even if it's not by definition. So hopefully this will end soon. I don't know exactly what's gonna happen in the future, but from a lot of what the whales are doing, the stock market and crypto, they see a short term at least pop before it drops back down. Because like in the stock market, long term they're going to be they're going to be going short and getting puts, and short term some calls. So we will see what happens soon. But I love all of you. I hope you have a beautiful day, and just keep investing. Buy the dip when you can, not financial advice. But I mean, right now, and if it goes lower, will be a great time to add some position. Dollar cost averaging in, buying, a little bit this week, a little bit next week, and so forth, works out really great for a lot of people in markets like this, and takes a lot of anxiety out of everything. So I will be talking to you all again soon. Have a great night. Goodbye.